Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. How is the National Green Tribunal, NGT, different from the Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB? 1. The NGT has been established by an act, whereas the CPCB has been created by an executive order of the government. 2. The NGT provides environmental justice and helps reduce the burden of litigation in the higher courts, whereas the CPCB promotes cleanliness of streams and wells and aims to improve the quality of air in the country. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is incorrect. The National Green Tribunal has been established under the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. CPCB was established under Water, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Statement 2 is correct. The NGT provides environmental justice and helps reduce the burden of litigation in the higher courts, whereas the CPCB promotes cleanliness of streams and wells and aims to improve the quality of air in the country, as per Water Act 1974 and Air Act 1981. Consider the following with reference to the taxes that are covered under the Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, DTA. 1. Pay state tax. 2. Property tax. 3. Value-added tax. Select the answer using the code given below. A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. All 3, D. None. Answer is option D. DTAs primarily cover income taxes, such as corporate income tax and personal income tax, between countries to prevent double taxation on cross-border income. Estate tax is not typically covered under DTAs as it pertains to the transfer of assets after death, and it is generally governed by the inheritance laws of each country. Property tax is usually a local or municipal tax, not a tax on income, and hence not covered under most DTAs. Value-added tax, VAT, is a consumption tax and not an income tax. Therefore, it is also not covered by DTAs. Thank you.